Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Anin.education. Before we start, don't forget subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today we're learning about history of Armenia. Prehistoric. The first human traces are supported by the presence Acheulean tools generally host the Aubustroisian outcrops more than 1 million years ago. The most recent and important excavations as the Norgally, one Stone Age site in the Razens River Valley. The thousand of the 324 25 years old artifacts might indicate that this stage of human technology innovations occurs intermediately throughout of the world rather than spreads from the single point of the origin, usually hypothesis of to be Africa as the previous source. Antiquity. Armenia lies in the highest zones, the mountains of Ararat. There is evidence of the early civilizations in Armenia in the First Age and early dating to the about 5000 BC. Archaeological surveys in the 2010 and 2011 at the RNE-1 cave complex have the results in the discovery of the world's earliest known leader Crete, skates, and the wine production facility. Middle Age. The Sassanid Empire was conquered by the Rashidun Caliphate in the mid 7th century, orienting Armenian lands previously taken by the Byzantine Empire, and Armenia subsequently emerged and Armenia an autonomous principally under the Umayyad Caliphate. The principality was ruled by the Prince of Armenia and recognized by the Caliph and the Byzantine Emperor. It was part of the administration's divisions or empirates Armenia created by the Arabs, which also included parts of the Georgians and Caucasus Albania and had its center in the Armenian city Divin. Armenia was until 994 when it's regarded as the independence for the weakened Abbasid Caliphate under Astors of Armenia. Early modern era. During the 1130s, the Mongols Empire records the current Armenia and then the remaining of Armenia. The Mongolian invasions were soon followed by the choice of other central regions tribes and such as the Kara Koyunlu Timurid dynasty and ex-Koryu, which continues from the 13th century until the 15th century. After insistent invasions, each bring destructions to the country, with time Armenia become weakened. World War One and the Armenia genocide. The outbreak of World War One led to confrontations between the Ottoman Empire and the Russian Emperor in the Caucasus and the Persian campaign. The new governments in Istanbul began to look on the Armenians with the discards and the suspicions because East Imperial Russian's army contained a contingent of the Armenian volunteers. On 24 April 1915, Armenian intellectuals were arrested by Ottoman authorities and with the Tensis Law 29 May 1914. Eventually, a large proportion of the Armenians living in the Anatolia perished in what has become known as the Armenian Genocide. First Republic of Armenia. alters the Russian Caucasus army of the imperial forces commanded by Nikolai U. Denis and Armenians volunteer unit, the Armenians military led by Andranik Ozanian and Tofas Nazabekian success in gaining most of the western Armenian during World War One. Georgian were lost with the Bolshevik revolutions of the 1917. At the time, Russians controlled eastern Armenia, Georgia, and Azerbaijan's attempt to bond together in the Transcaucasus Democratic Federative Republic. These federations, however, last from only February to May 1918 when all three Persian decisions is dissolved. It's as a result, the Transnisturian government of Eastern Armenia declares its independence on the 28th May as the First Republic of Armenia under the leadership of Aram Manukian. Thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and see you to my next video. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.